In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini AI to create a logo in under a minute. We're keeping this fast, clear, and practical. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type to get clean, professional logo concepts in seconds. First, open your Gemini account in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go so you don't lose time later. Having a stable internet connection helps here because the image generation process runs in the cloud and returns results quickly when everything is set. Next, head to the Tools section. Think of Tools as the creative toolbox inside Gemini. This is where the visual and generative utilities live. You'll find options designed to help you turn ideas into visuals without needing design software. Now click Create Image. This is the feature that turns your text instructions into visuals. It's designed for speed and clarity, which makes it ideal for producing quick logo concepts you can evaluate immediately. You're ready to enter your prompt. Type clearly and keep it focused. Here's a prompt that works well for a beauty brand. Create a modern, minimal logo for a beauty salon business. The design should be clean, professional, and easy to recognize. Use a simple color palette, 2 to 3 colors only. Make it suitable for social media, websites, and branding. Provide multiple logo concepts. This wording gives Gemini the right constraints. Modern and minimal tells it to avoid clutter. A 2 to 3 color palette keeps things simple and brandable. And asking for multiple concepts ensures you get variety to compare. If your brand has a tone, like luxurious, natural, or playful, you can include that in the wording to nudge the style in the right direction. Press Submit and wait patiently while it generates your results. This usually takes under a minute, and you'll see multiple logo concepts appear based on your prompt. Look for qualities that matter most in a logo: simplicity, legibility at small sizes, and a balanced shape that works on social profiles and website headers. Because you asked for multiple options, you'll typically get a range, some leaning more icon-focused, others more typographic, so you can quickly identify what fits your brand's feel. That's it. Open Gemini, go to Tools, click Create Image, enter the focused prompt, then Submit and let Gemini do the work. In under a minute, you'll have polished, minimal logo concepts ready for consideration across your social media, website, and broader branding.